Hey guys, today I want to share with you guys some books that you should be reading. If you're new to my channel, I am a homeschooling mom. I've been homeschooling for 10 years, and on this channel I always share books and curriculum and things like that for your kiddos. But today I'm going to share with you guys 4 books that are like life-changing books, and these are all very different. This is going to be a really brief video. I just really want to share these books with you guys. So the first one is any of these devotionals by Elizabeth George. They are small devotionals based on different books of the Bible. So this one was Experiencing God's Peace. The book that she wrote on the book of James was incredible. It was the one that started me on this journey. These are my monthly devotionals. These are the ones that I run to. Like I said, you get to study a different book each month, and there is also space inside for you to answer questions. So you're really thinking about what she's reading. She takes each verse and she breaks it up piece by piece and has you really think about it in a new way, and then you have to write down answers. You can answer them in your head, or I like to write them down because then I like to go back and look at them and really make everything that you're learning a part of yourself, and then reviewing it every so often. It's just such a great way to grow spiritually in your walk with God. This book was so good. My friend recommended this book after I broke down during a mommy play date. We were having a conversation and it just became emotional, and it was Feelings Buried Alive Never Die. This is a great book. It is a Christian book. I didn't even know that it was a Christian book. It is Christian based, but not heavily. It also has a lot of reference to other books, psychological books and science books and things like that, to help you really see how the mind and the body really work and how they come together, and how things happen to us, and how important our feelings are in creating health issues for us, and how we can overcome all of these feelings. So this is a really good book. How we can overcome these feelings using something called the script, to work through each emotion one by one using what they call a script. And in the back there's a list of different emotions, and what you're basically doing in the script is you're replacing negative thoughts and behaviors and feelings that are so ingrained within you with positive ones. And it is just a beautiful book, and it really has helped me a lot. It really has helped me a lot. This, along with these devotionals, because I had been doing it at the same time. If you have a teenager, you need to read this one. Have a New Teenager by Friday. I got it from the library, and then I just went on Thrift Books and I just bought it. This is such a great book. It's just such a good book. It just gives you ways. It says from mouthy and moody to respectful and responsible in 5 days. And it's not really 5 days, because I mean, if you want to read this in 5 days, but it's like Monday lesson, Tuesday lesson, Wednesday lesson, but there's a big chunk of it in here. But also inside of it, it also gives you a bunch of different ideas. If you're going through a divorce, what are some ways you can help your teenager to cope? If your child doesn't fit in with peers, what can you do? If you're concerned about eye rolling, what can you do? Drugs and alcohol, grounding children, homework battles, any battle that you have, hormone changes, whatever. There's really good advice in this book for you. And then the last book I have is Changed into His Image. This book is such a, I don't even know how to describe it. It has so much good in like every single sentence. You can get so much out of reading this book and draw so close to Christ, being changed into his image day by day with each page that you read. You could read one page and like put it away and just meditate on that page for the entire day. So this is a great book by Jim Berg, and it is called Changed into His Image, and they also have a study companion guide. But there's so much in this book, and it actually had taken me a really long time to read this. So I am also reading a couple of other books, but you can find those other books in my October themes and goals videos, the ones that I'm reading for this month. And when I finish those, I'll tell you what they're about. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.